Hey, I'm here south of Dublin, Ireland, and the weather here is not very predictable. It's a bit windy and rainy and such, and maybe that is very predictable, by the way, since I'm in Ireland. And as a matter of fact, this lake didn't exist yesterday even. No, I'm just joking. When I'm seawater though, I often think about flow of material, etc. And this video is all about lean flow. Stay tuned for more. Hey, during some of my workshops, I work with flow of material information and I ask people, what is your definition of lean flow? And I get all sorts of answers, of course. But one thing that comes up a lot is that people think that lean flow means that everything is flowing perfectly and nicely. Like the water in the background here, for example. There's no obstacles, nothing like that. But that's not really correct. My definition of lean flow is that you move material, information and people on purpose. And you make sure that you can see the problems that occur, but the trick is to be able to react quickly to them so that you can get going again. Because if you don't react quickly, or if you have a really smooth flow with no issues, you probably have too much material, too much people, too many machines, for example, to cover for problems that you potentially have. So a smooth lean flow then is move material, information and people on purpose. Do you agree to this definition of lean flow? Let me know in the comments below and see what you think about my definition. And of course, if you want to talk to me, send me an email. I'll be happy to do that. And thank you for listening.